Ay naku po, bakit kayo may ano pa, may takay? Pares ka ako. Ame, tingnan mo naman ako. Sige, tinutulungan ko na tag-alis ng... Nakaes, yan o, ayaw.
If you leave and baby, let me down slowly. Drag my feet on the tide as I'm walking down the corridor. And I know we haven't talked in a while, so I'm looking for an open door. Don't cut me down, throw me out. At least I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold
Down time. Dali, alas na yung isa.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? You can show me if you wanna go, then I'll be so.
Naloka na. Yan ako. Kuhanin mo agad at baka may takip. Aka na. Eh wala naman 30 eh. Oh wala. Ay yun pala eh. Oh ayaw talaga niya kainin. Okay. Madaling mapuno ang bote eh. Yeah. Syoko. May position nga daw yan. May position.
May posisyon pa ano yun?
Kaya nga.
Parang nagbibimbang.
Yung isa, i-try mo ulit. Ayaw talaga. O yung porong naman, pauna. Ayaw talaga.
Kung ayaw mo, hindi ka kami. Ako nga, kasi iba ko ba malunok? Gulo?